Today I'm going to teach you how to download tax returns from TurboTax. This is incredibly useful if you need to keep a backup of your tax documents or share them with an accountant or financial advisor. Let's walk through this straightforward process together. First, you'll need to open your TurboTax app. To do this, launch your browser and navigate to turbotax.intuit.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account if you haven't already done so. Make sure you have your login credentials ready as you'll need them to access your tax information. After entering your details, give it a moment to load your account dashboard. Once your account is fully loaded, you'll see your main TurboTax interface. Now, to download your tax returns from TurboTax, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here you'll find several options for managing your taxes. Look for the Tax Tools option and click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu with additional choices. From the expanded menu that appears, click on Tools. This section houses various utilities that help you manage and access your tax documents efficiently. After clicking on Tools, a small window will pop up on your screen. This window contains several options showing all your available tax tools. Take a moment to scan through these options. What you're looking for is the button that says Save Your 2025 Return to your computer. Go ahead and click on it. This action triggers the download process for your tax return. A File Explorer window will now appear on your screen. This is where you get to decide exactly where you want to save your downloaded tax returns from TurboTax. Browse through your computer's folders and directories to find a suitable location. You might want to create a dedicated folder for tax documents if you haven't already, making it easier to locate them in the future. Once you've selected your destination folder or directory, simply click on Save. The download will begin and your tax return will be stored in the location you specified. Simple as that. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded your tax returns from TurboTax, giving you easy access to your important financial documents whenever you need them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.